Hello, and thank you for joining today's webinar edition of Conversations in Automation. I'm Donnie Bischoff, Director of Sales, CNE Advanced Technologies. We extend a warm welcome to Ray Leiter, Industry Segment Sales Leader at Festo. Today's conversation is going to circulate around key trends with food and beverage and automation. It's going to circulate around strategic advantages and how to employ automation. And then we're going to end with talking about the latest growth area in the industry. So Ray, let's begin. Seeing more automation in the food and beverage industry, what are some key trends that you're seeing at Festo?
Well, I think the thing is any of these solutions that are going to be implemented, they need to make sure that they meet the Food Safety Modernization Act, which is referred to as FSMA. The other thing is we want to make sure that we're using this automation to increase the output and be more efficient. But we want to make sure that we're avoiding the unplanned downtime. And the other key thing that we also want to look at is we want to make sure that the operators of the equipment are safe with this new automation.
Thank you for sharing that, Ray. Today, what specific advice would you give a project engineer?
So when you're going to start using newer automation, the one thing you want to make sure of is that it's wash down or wipe down compliant, clean design with smooth surfaces. And then looking even further in it, if it's going to be in the food zone, is it food safe? Are you make sure you use materials like stainless steel, FDA compliant materials, food safe grease. And one of the things that I've noticed that gets overlooked sometimes is the compressed air. If the compressed air is actually going to contact the food product or the containers the food will be put in, you need to make sure that it's filtered to the right level. And I usually refer people to the ISO standard 8573-1 2010. And then finally, since most of these environments are wet, we want to pay attention to NEMA and IP ratings. Some examples would be like NEMA 4X and IP 69K.
So Ray, you've highlighted some specific trends and then areas of importance to pay attention to with inside food and beverage automation. What are some key areas that you see that are most poised for growth?
You know, there's two areas that I've recognized lately, and there's a lot of excitement about them, is craft distilleries and vertical farming. The thing that's unique about these companies is they're very good at producing the actual product. The problem they encounter is how do they package, palletize, and get this product out the door. And this is a great area where automation can support them. The thing is, I'm really excited about this too, is with this is a great opportunity for Festo and CNE to be a valuable partner with these companies.
Thanks again for joining today, Ray. There's certainly a ton to unpack inside of what we discussed. So for those in the audience, thank you for joining. If you have any further questions on how Festo can enhance your operations, please contact the team here at CNE Advanced Technologies. And until next time, thank you.